injured one of my knuckles this week, but I still wanted to create some beautiful patterns with you today. I also wanted to answer some questions about why piano for me. So now let's head up to the top of the piano and create some F minor magic. Well, hey there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe if you enjoy this content, as this will really help me out, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. So let's check out 4 new patterns today, and again this week let's dwell in the key of F. Next week we'll move along our improvisation series into the key of G. Let's start very high on the piano and let's do an octave figure with an F in the middle of there. It's one of my left hand knuckles that I've injured. So today I'm just going to play some easy notes with the left hand with my first finger and create a little O here to play over and then over to those notes there. Okay. So in our left hand, let's play this low F here, and then we'll play a 3-note figure in the right hand and then float over with this high A flat there. And so for pattern 2, let's step down to a D flat, back to the same middle note of the A flat. So recently someone asked me, why piano? Why did I choose piano as my main instrument, and why did I end up having it as my career? Before we go on to patterns 3 and 4 of our progression, I thought I might answer some of these questions. From when I was a kid, I went to church and I always noticed when the piano went up the octave and my ear was always attracted to those really bell-like sounds. My parents, who didn't have a lot of money when I was growing up, really prioritized music. My older siblings played a variety of instruments and we grew up with lots of singing, and I couldn't wait to start an instrument as well. As I developed in grades and then onto a classical piano degree, I really loved pieces that sounded amazing with filigree type passage work that were very sparkly and brilliant sounding. So that's some of the reasons that I went on to study music, and it's also some of the inspiration for today's improvisation. For the third pattern, let's step down to B flat. Answer with a B flat here, same 3 notes in the right hand. And then ending with an F down for our 4th pattern, back to our A flat there. And you can finish with a high F there in the left hand floating up. So let's play through slowly to piece all those little sections all together. F to the A flat, F, float over to the A flat, D flat, and again, changing this one to the B flat there, and finishing on the F, and float over. So each Thursday I put up new videos to inspire you and your creativity in piano, and I look forward to catching you next time. So thanks for watching and have a great week. Ta-da!